We're in Galveston, Texas again for another cruise. We're about to get on the Carnival Dream. We're kicking it old school with this cruise. Guys, before we get started with this video, make sure you hit that like button if you like this kind of stuff, and subscribe to the channel for more cruise videos. Let's go cruising, folks. Happy Cruise Day. Oh no, I'm cruising by myself. No, dropped my wife off up here, so I'm trying to speed walk here. It's been since 2019 since we last been on what we consider our home ship, the Carnival Dream, and we've done so many cruising since the last time we were on this ship. It really feels like we're kind of like back home because we did so many cruises on the Dream and the Dream only since our first cruise. So this is our first cruise back on the Dream, first cruise on the Dream since they moved the Dream to Galveston. So, and one more thing, it is so nice to be back in a suite. Now, the last cruise where we were on the Vista, we had that wraparound balcony, which was nice, but we got spoiled with the suite. So it's nice to be back in a suite, and yeah, this is our balcony. Huh? There's that yacht. so nice being back on the Dream. So just got done eating dinner. I didn't film it. Sorry, I didn't film the dinner. Had the brisket, which is basically roast beef. Yeah. Anyway, it was good. And now we're gonna go roam around, maybe hit the casino, see how much money we could lose. Yeah, we're out here in the Gulf. It's nice.
I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see
Here we are. We started a tradition a couple of cruises ago where we would end the day drinking some hot chocolate, try to find a quiet spot here on the Lido, which is a little bit challenging. But it's the first night, everybody's excited to be on here, especially the youngins. We played the casino, and so far my conspiracy that if you watch the last Vista cruise, we just put in cash. And how much do you think we lost? Just round to a number.
I hate to say it, but
Say it. Hate to say it, but say it.
maybe 1,200 or more.
Maybe 1,200 or more. Now I will say this. And listen, we put in money and we hardly didn't win. However, the benefit of that is you get cruise deals. You get all these cruise offers, and we got a lot of offers, obviously because they want us to play in the casino more. But the conspiracy is if you put cash in, they take it and they don't let you win. Because, come on, they don't. The reason why you can't gamble and use these slot machines is, you know, in the States or when you're in the port, because it's regulated. But when you're in international waters, I don't think it's regulated at all. Yeah, it's not regulated, so they could work in certain algorithms and things of that nature. But anyway, so the conspiracy is, I'm sorry I'm getting in, the conspiracy is, and it's held true today, is that we didn't put cash in, we just used our sign and sell card, and so far we broke even. Like,
We come out ahead a little bit.
yeah, come out ahead a little bit. And how much you think we probably put in? Probably a couple $100, and we probably got a couple $100 in the bank between the both of us. I mean, you know, I probably got about a 200, and she's probably got 50 cents in her bank. So I mean, you know, it's just how it is. I've noticed also when you're playing together and they know that you're, like, you know, say your spouses or whatever, one person wins while the other person loses. and then it just goes back and forth. So tomorrow may be totally different. I may lose all my bank tomorrow, and you're going to gain it. Anyway, it's all fun. We never come on here expecting to get rich or anything. But anyway, that's so yeah, that's our night. We ate a little dinner. I showed you guys some of the karaoke, which is always, I like the karaoke when there's people having fun. When they start to get too serious or whatever, like trying to play American Idol, I lose interest pretty fast. But anyway, there were some good singers, no doubt, but just, you know, maybe we should go and find us a country bar somewhere on some backcountry road in East Texas and watch a bunch of drunk rednecks sing karaoke. That'd be pretty good. Before I go and I leave you guys, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. But here it is, it's 2022, and we got these things, these electronic things. They're called cameras. But when you know, and you see people taking selfies like all the time with their phone. Well, my phone's in there. Whoa! I left my cell phone in the cabin. What am I ever going to do? I feel naked. But you see people taking selfies, doing all this. It's normal. It's completely normal. But when someone has a GoPro in their hand, just like you, I'm filming you on a GoPro. They're like, look. Is that a GoPro? Is that a camera? Is he filming? And it's just like that stare. I figured in 2022 people would get over the fact that there's cameras like everywhere. Anyway, well, it is what it is. We're gonna drink these hot chocolates and sit there and make fun and people watch. Even though it got quiet. I don't know. Maybe it's curfew?
You scare everyone off.
Maybe the camera scared everyone off. We're out here. See you guys tomorrow as we film a bunch of nothing. If something. That'll be eaten tomorrow morning. I will be eating the 12-hour French toast. That's just what I'm gonna do.